Have you ever wondered how the world transformed from a place of manual labor to a powerhouse of mechanized industries? What were the key inventions that fueled this revolution? Welcome to the dawn of a new era, an era that forever changed the course of humanity. This was the Industrial Revolution, a period of unprecedented innovation and invention, where the world transitioned from traditional hand production methods to machines. A time of change that was so profound, it not only altered the landscape of our economies, but also our societies, our cultures, and our everyday lives. This revolution was not born in a day, nor was it the work of a single mind. It was the result of countless inventors and pioneers who dared to dream and dared to create. In this journey, we'll be unveiling the top 10 inventions that acted as the catalysts for this monumental shift. So buckle up and prepare for an enlightening ride. Stay with us as we travel back in time to explore these groundbreaking inventions. Can you imagine a world without trains or factories? It all started with the power of steam. A pivotal point in human history, the invention of the steam engine in the late 18th century marked the onset of an era of unprecedented growth and transformation. This ingenious invention harnessed steam's power, leading to a revolution in transportation and industries. Before the steam engine, goods and people moved at the mercy of wind and muscle, a slow and arduous process. But with its advent, transportation became faster, reliable, and efficient. Trains now thundered across continents, connecting cities and countries like never before. In factories, steam-powered machinery replaced manual labor, increasing productivity manifold. The steam engine became the lifeblood of the Industrial Revolution, fueling a new world of possibilities and progress. And yet, as monumental as this breakthrough was, it was merely the prelude to an even more significant innovation. The steam engine was just the beginning. The real game-changer was yet to come. Can you think of a life without electric lights? It sounds unthinkable, doesn't it? In the grand scheme of history, the electric light bulb is a relatively recent arrival. Its invention in the late 19th century by the likes of Sir Hiram Maxim, Sir Joseph Swan, and of course Thomas Edison, was a game-changer. Before this, nightfall signaled the end of productivity, with only the unreliable and dangerous light of candles and gas lamps to pierce the darkness. The electric light bulb illuminated our world, extending our days beyond sunset. It revolutionized industries, enabling factories to operate around the clock, and transformed our homes, making them safer and more comfortable. It's hard to imagine our modern world so full of light without this pivotal invention. From darkness to light, one invention brightened our world. But wait, there's more. Imagine a world where everything was handmade. How did we move from there to the era of mass production? A significant leap in the industrial era was the invention of the assembly line. Born from the innovative mind of Henry Ford in the early 20th century, the assembly line was a game changer. Before this, products were made start to finish by a single person or team. This process was slow and costly. However, the assembly line turned this method on its head. It broke down the manufacturing process into specific, repeatable tasks. Each worker became a specialist in one step, mastering it to perfection. This specialization greatly increased efficiency and reduced errors, making goods faster and cheaper to produce. And the impact? An explosion of affordable consumer goods. Cars, once a luxury item, became accessible to the average family. This revolutionary method transformed not just manufacturing, but the very fabric of society. The assembly line changed the way we produce, but one invention changed the way we communicate. How did information travel before the age of the internet and smartphones, you may ask? Well, it was the mid-19th century when the world of communication began to transform dramatically. This was largely due to the invention of the telegraph. It was Samuel Morse who brought us this game-changing device, which allowed people to communicate instantaneously across vast distances. This was a revolution in itself. The next big leap came with Alexander Graham Bell's invention, the telephone. Imagine for the first time, people could hear the voice of a loved one from miles away. The telephone was more than just a device, it was a bridge that connected hearts and minds across continents. These inventions have made our world smaller and brought us closer, but remember, the journey doesn't end here. The telegraph and the telephone were merely stepping stones to the world of instant communication we enjoy today. They laid the foundation for the digital age that was yet to come. As we step forward from the age of communication, we find ourselves at the dawn of a new age, an age that has reshaped our world in ways unimaginable. The digital age. This is an era driven by binary codes and algorithms, an era where information is not just relayed but shared, stored, and analyzed at an unprecedented scale. The microchip and the internet, the two pillars of this digital revolution, have transformed every facet of our lives. From the way we work, learn, shop, and even socialize, everything is just a click away. This rapid digitalization has blurred the lines between physical and virtual, creating a world without borders, a world that is interconnected like never before. So as we stand at the cusp of this digital era, we can't help but wonder, what lies ahead? What new technological marvels await us in the future? But that's a story for another video. For now, let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable journey we've embarked on, from steam engines to silicon chips, from the telegraph to the internet, a journey that has truly reshaped our world. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the Industrial Revolution. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. What invention do you think had the biggest impact? Let's get the conversation started. And stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel.